Hey, sexy people, Taylor Sparks here, Mariposa IQ, and this is your 60 Seconds of Sparks and Beyond. I've got a new review for you by Foria. This is their new Quickie Kit. You know, we all love a Quickie, right? They say this is the Quickie, your new bedroom essential. And it comes with these really cute little note cards that says, I have a heart on for you, or thanks for all the orgasms. And you can put your name and their name on there, you know, asking for another Quickie. So let's look to see what's inside of the Quickie Kit. It comes with one of my all-time favorite arousal lubricants, the Awaken CBD Arousal Oil, right? This is an oil base, all natural, all organic. It's amazing. I think you guys heard me talk about this before. Put some on the in and around the clitoral area. Of course, CBD acts as a vasodilator, opening up the blood vessels, bringing more blood to the area. And of course, when you have more blood there, you become more lubricated and your orgasms become more intense. In addition to the CBD Awaken Arousal Oil is their CBD oil lubricant. So this is oil based. That means you cannot use it with a natural rubber latex condom. The arousal oil, if you just put some on the clitoral area, you should be fine. It should not affect the condom itself. But if you put some in the vulva, you know, it's going to eat through that condom in 3 strokes, like 1, 2, no more condom. And we don't want that now, do we? And of course, we have 2 little suppositories, CBD coconut oil based suppositories that go in the vagina. And of course, CBD also is an anti-inflammatory, because, you know, sometimes our lady parts take a bit of a beating, right? So this will help with the pain and the inflammation. So log on to organicloven.com and swing by and pick up your Foria Quickie Kit, and then have a quickie or 2 or 3. Okay, have 4. Have 4 quickies. Have it on me. Whatever you do, stay sexy. Bye-bye.